Today I will show you how to color blending in Photoshop. This is my object which I already have PNG format, and this is a watercolor picture that I have already downloaded from the internet. First, open my object and watercolor image in Photoshop. Click on the watercolor image layer. Now click on the right button. Click Create Clipping Mask. Now, at the top, click on Normal. Click on the color from here. Next, go to the Layer menu. Click on the Blending option from Layer Style. Now, go to Underlaying Label. Hold down the Alt key from keyboard and click on the triangle icon. Pull the broken part in the middle. Click the OK button. Now select the brush tool. From here, keep the foreground color black and the background color white. Remove with a brush where you do not want to paint. Thanks for watching the video.